Hi, my name is Nisha. Currently, I am a final year postgraduate student in Banaras Hindu University. I have done my summer internship from Hansraj College, University of Delhi, under the supervision of Dr. Romila Rawat Bisht. It was a very positive and educational experience for me. The internship was worth, and it was a very good opportunity to learn the various instruments, to have hand on experience on various instruments. For me, I have gained some positive results from the experiment that I have carried on. It was a very informative session for me. The days I have worked in the lab, I have learned some basic laboratory information, some basic information about the instruments, etc. Thank you.
मैं कोमल यादव, मैं मिरांडा हाउस कॉलेज से हूँ। मैं बीएससी लाइफ साइंस कर रही हूँ। मैंने समर इंटर्नशिप हंसराज कॉलेज में की है। मैंने मोनिका मैम के अंडर काम किया है। इस इंटर्नशिप में मैंने इकोलॉजी और नेचुरल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इसलिए चुना क्योंकि हम सारी टॉपिक पे रिसर्च करते हैं। इकोलॉजी हम कई बार अंडर एस्टिमेट करते हैं कि ये सब्जेक्ट थियोरेटिकल है, बट मैंने फील्ड विजिट करके देखा कि हमारे कहाँ कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, कैसे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। फील्ड विजिट में मैंने फार्मर से इंटरेक्ट किया। फार्मर से जब हम इंटरेक्ट करते हैं फेस टू फेस, हमें न्यू चैलेंजेस के बारे में पता चलता है। और हमने ये जो फील्ड विजिट की थी, हमने इसमें सर्वे कंडक्ट किया था, बोथ ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन फॉर्म में। हमने इस सर्वे में ऑनलाइन सर्वे को हमने शेयर किया था व्हाट्सएप के द्वारा, इंस्टाग्राम के द्वारा और अदर सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म के द्वारा। इसमें हमने ये सीखा कि कई लोग होते हैं कि वो सर्वे को सीरियसली नहीं लेते हैं। कई लोग होते हैं जो सीरियसली लेते हैं और ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू देते हैं। और सर्वे के बाद हमने उसको एक्सेल शीट में लिखा। इसमें हमने क्या किया कि मैंने ज़्यादातर यूज़ टू होती थी कि इंग्लिश में लिखना होता है, बट मैंने वहाँ पे सीखा कि हमें हिंदी में भी लिखना आना चाहिए। और जो सर्वे बेस्ड था उसमें मेरे जो सोशल स्किल है उसको एक बूस्ट मिला है और मेरा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा है। थैंक यू एवरीवन। मुझे पता चला कि साइंटिफिक वे में क्वेश्चन ईयर्स कैसे बनाते हैं, फिर उसके बारे में कि उन क्वेश्चन को लिंक कैसे करते हैं एक दूसरे से, फिर मतलब कि साइंटिफिक मेथड को कैसे अडोप्ट करते हैं। और जो फील्ड विजिट करते हैं उसमें जो लिटरेचर कॉन्टेक्स्ट होता है उसकी क्या वैल्यू है, कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, वो मैंने अंडर प्रोफेसर मोनिका मैम के अंडर काम करके सीखा।
Hello, my name is Akshita. I'm from Jamia Hamdard University. I'm a master's first year student. I was under Ritu ma'am. We were working on cowpea. We were finding HSS for cowpea. It was an amazing experience. We were very able to get a positive result out of our study. And I'm very grateful for this opportunity. बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you.
My name is Achal and I'm currently pursuing my master's from Department of Botany, University of Delhi, and I did my summer internship under the mentorship of Dr. Riddhi Khurana. It was an invaluable experience for me. Everyone was doing their summer internship in their hometowns. I live in Delhi and I did my summer internship in my home, my college, the college from which I've been graduated, Hansraj. The experience were really nice. The non-teaching staff, the conveners, the working conditions were very nice. I got hands-on experience on pollen germination media studies, and it was I also got a positive feedback with the negative results which I got during the course of my experiments.
Good morning, I am Manvi. I am doing a project under Dr. Mandeep. It is related to microbiology, and through this I learned many topics and many instruments. Like I learned how to efficiently work on laminar airflow hood chamber and autoclave. I learned how to operate it safely and efficiently, and I also learned to work on cooling incubator and many other instruments. The journey was really nice, and I also learned that perseverance is the key, because in the beginning we were having some negative results, but later on we were obtaining the positive results as well. I learned many topics, and it will be really fruitful for me, because now I'll be confidently presenting it in my paper presentation. Thank you.
I am Naina. I am pursuing BSc Life Science from Sri Aurobindo College and have worked with Dr. Mandeep sir under his supervision, and overall it was a good experience. My topic was to isolate roadside fungi for the production of cellulase enzyme, and I have gained experience in handling the lab equipments. I have gained confidence during this session. Thank you.
I am Yusra Wali and I am pursuing BSc Life Science from Sri Aurobindo College, and I joined summer internship from Hansraj College, and my mentor name is Dr. Mandeep. Overall my experience is well and good. I experienced hands-on work on lab equipments.
Hello everyone, my name is Khyati Verma and I am from Sri Aurobindo College. I have joined summer internship from Hansraj College under the supervision of Dr. Mandeep sir on the topic of isolation of fungi and cellulase production. It was a very great experience. I enjoyed this time, and I have gained a lot of experiences like hand-on experience on handling the equipments and how to work in the lab, what precautions should be take. Thank you.
My name is Muskan Kashyap and I am currently pursuing a master's in zoology from HNBGU University, and I did my internship under the supervision of Dr. Sahil Mehta sir. In this internship, I learned various bioinformatic tools such as Pyrex, Pymol, Autodoc Vina, and many other tools. These tools will help me in future growth and overall help me in academic growth and future endeavors. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Shubham Barik from BSc Life Science, Hansraj College. I was fortunate enough to be a part of the bioinformatics intensive here, and I was able to learn about various bacteria, their proteins, and the use of various softwares like Pyrex, Pymol under the supervision of Dr. Sahil Mehta from Hansraj College, Department of Botany. I learned about these softwares and the bacteria and their use in various health related problems, and along with this I learned about the AMR genes and I was able to work on them, and it was a pretty knowledgeable and fruitful experience for me. This was what I wanted to share about this internship. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bushra Jameel and I am currently pursuing my undergrad from the Department of Anthropology. I had recently undergone an internship at Hansraj College, University of Delhi under the guidance of Dr. Sahil Mehta, and I am elated to share my experience with you all. Our main project was about bioinformatics analysis of MDR genes of pathogenic bacteria, in which we analyzed receptor-ligand interactions, which is the very first step in drug manufacturing. Other than this, we also wrote a review article on the anti-cancerous activities of mushrooms. Overall experience of internship was really commendable and something I enjoyed pursuing because we could work at flexible hours, we could at times work from home as well, and Sahil sir has been so supportive and so approachable, and the whole experience has just been nothing short of an amazing experience. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Arita from Shivaji College. I joined HRC for the summer internship. It was a wonderful experience in HRC. I have learned a lot of things here. Plant tissue culture was my research interest. So through this internship, I have fulfilled my research topic. It was a wonderful experience at HRC College, and the teachers are very wonderful, kind, brilliant. It was overall a great experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika and I just completed my second year in BSc Honours Botany from Deshbandhu College. Talking about this internship at Hansraj, it was a wonderful experience for me because it was my first time handling all those equipments, gaining those hands-on experience, and I did my internship under the supervision of Professor Vijay Rani Rajpal ma'am, Dr. Pooja Jha and Dr. Bhavna Sharma Jha. All three mentors guided us in their own way and they helped me discover my inner potential, which I even didn't know. So I'm going to carry it throughout my life as this was my first step in the journey and I'm looking forward for more. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Anuj Singh Bhati from Deshbandhu College, Life Sciences third year. Just now admitted to department for MSc. My experience over here at Hansraj College for the internship process was with Professor Vijayarani Rajpal, Dr. Pooja, and Dr. Bhavna ma'am. And my experience all through the process have been remarkable. I have received opportunities to learn hands-on experience and many lab skills under Pooja ma'am regarding the topic of tissue culture, many soft skills, and even the use of many applications and current ongoing research and other soft skills regarding the representation of data and experimentations from Dr. Vijayarani ma'am. And now as I have gained so much through the process that when we entered this college and now we are entering, it has made a lot of difference all through the time. And just as the parents, since it's about botany internship regarding tissue culture and all, we feel that just like explants are developed from very scratch, the teachers have just sown the seeds of knowledge and enthusiasm in us, and we have developed just as the explants do. I would like to appreciate and be in gratitude of our respected teachers for all their hard work and efforts that they have put in on us, and hope for their guidance and support all through the future, and hope to see them again somewhere, somehow. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Trisha Malik. I have completed my third year from DTU Delhi Technological University in BTech in Biotechnology. I would like to take a moment to thank Hansraj College for giving me an opportunity to work here as an intern in this summer internship program. I have learned a lot of things about plant tissue culture. They have given us a hands-on experience in inoculation, incubation, and media preparation, everything about plant tissue culture. And the most important thing is literature survey. They has taught me literature, how to read and review the literature, which I have never gained experience in, which is going to help me in my forthcoming years. So I would like to thank all the three teachers, Vijay ma'am, Pooja ma'am, and Bhavna ma'am, who helped us throughout this internship journey. Thank you.